Haddon, and I'm here with Betway to help you understand what it really feels like to be an F1 driver. I'm not talking about the glitz and glamour, I'm talking about the invisible powers of G-force and the incredible pressures their bodies are subjected to every time they step in the cockpit. So to help us feel the Gs, we've created a pair of unique challenges. We have some world-famous guests here to take them on and talk us through it.
I think let's call it. I've proven my point.
On my right, we have expert in the field, none other than Atlassian Williams racing driver, Alex Haddon. And on my left is the biggest guinea pig you've ever seen. It's the 2025 World's Strongest Man, Rayno Nel. Does this look like a piece of cake to you?
It's quite intimidating.
This is Reflex resistance, an agility test with a twist that replicates the resistance to reaction times that drivers feel in the cockpit.
G-force in the cockpit, it feels like you're on a roller coaster, but you're in charge of the roller coaster. You're trying to look into the corner, and yet it's pushing you away from it, and you're kind of fighting that resistance.
Rayno will have his wrists strapped to kettlebells while trying to keep pace with the blaze pods. Go for it. As the speed of the blaze pods increase, so do the weight of the kettlebells, pulling down on his arms.
This is heavy now.
Jeez, you can see the struggle. There was a lot going on. There was arms flailing, bits of equipment getting smashed.
That was intense.
That's tough. It was quite a challenge. For a Formula 1 driver to have that for almost 2 hours, I don't think I'll be fast.
I think he would fare better in an F1 car than I would in a World's Strongest Man challenge.
I don't think I'll fit.
Yeah, so the first challenge has gone well. We've got another one coming up, but at some point, I kind of want to get in there and challenge Rayno to an arm wrestle. Right, you ready?
Hope so.
Wait, ready?
I have a lot to lose, yeah, you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, we can start.
Can I use 2 hands? Yeah, difficult. Didn't go too well. Ego's a bit bruised. We're going to move over here to our second challenge. This is heavy braking, a test of leg strength that lets you feel the force and precision required to slam on the anchors as you head into a corner. So obviously you've got resistance bands behind you here, which means when you try and push away, it's going to get harder and harder. Rayno must try and keep pace with the corners on a lap of Bahrain testing by completing a set of 15 presses in 90 seconds. Right, let's roll. So as soon as we go, we'll be driving out the garage now.
3, 2, 1, big brake.
So release before turning, right?
You release at the same time as you turn.
Right, well that looked pretty easy. I think we get the guys in, we change the setup. So it was at 15 degrees, it's now up to 40.
It's quite an angle it's on.
Medium brake in 3, 2, 1, medium brake. Brake. Now, 3, 2, 1, big brake. Holy.
That was a big brake.
That was a big brake.
So he's handling the pressure pretty well here. There's a tiny 1 bead of sweat.
It's the soft brakes, I think, that are harder.
Yeah, it's definitely. I've always had respect for it, but I think today just cemented that it is a tough job.
I think we're going to wrap it up there. Are you pretty impressed?
I think we just need a helmet and we're good to go.